Boiled eggs are incredibly delicious, yet they can be incredibly intimidating, whether because they never cook correctly and they smell like methane and look gray or green, or because the shells are incredibly difficult to peel. So today I'm going to show you the process to make 100% perfectly cooked eggs and eggs that are incredibly easy to peel. So what we're going to need is 6 eggs, and we're going to take them to the stove top. So we're going to use our medium saucepan. We're going to put 2 quarts of water. For every 3 eggs, you want to add 1 quart of water, basically because when we add the eggs, you don't want the boiling water to cool off too much. Now, it doesn't matter if this is cold or hot water, we're just adding simple tap water. We're going to cover this and bring this up to a boil. Now, this water is at a rolling boil, and what we're going to do is we're going to drop our eggs into the water with a slotted spoon or one of these things. Be careful because you don't want to splash yourself with hot boiling water. We're also going to set a timer for 1 minute. After that minute, we're going to lower this to a simmer and set a timer for 11 minutes. Just keep an eye on it so that it doesn't come up to a boil and so that it doesn't get too cool and isn't actually at a simmer. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare my ice bath. Bring this over here. We're gonna need our spoon. We're just gonna take these eggs and drop them into the cold ice bath for a minute. And what this is gonna do is gonna shock it to stop it from cooking. Now, if you're gonna serve these warm, we're just gonna let them sit here for a minute. If you're gonna serve them cold, say maybe tomorrow or later in the day, let them cool off for 10 or 15 minutes. Basically, let them cool off completely. Once they've been here for a minute, just go ahead and take them out of the water, put them on your cutting board, wherever you want to put them. Now, when you crack the eggs, you want to crack them on the bottom, which is the fat side, because there's likely an air pocket in there based on how it boils. We're just going to run this in cool water in case it's too hot to touch, and because it helps peel off that sticky part of the shell. There's also the membrane underneath the egg, which once you get under it, makes it a lot easier to peel. Make sure you use your knuckle to help separate the eggshell from the egg, as it's not sharp and is not going to pierce the egg. Here we have it. So let's go ahead and cut these open. Perfect. Look at that beautiful, perfect color. Add some salt. Pepper maybe if you like. Enjoy. Now these sat for 11 minutes, but we can actually vary the cooking level of the yolk based on how much time we let it sit. All these eggs are cooked at different times. 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 9 minutes, 10 minutes, and 11 minutes. And as you see, the one pulled at 6 minutes is very soft compared to the one pulled at 11 minutes is very tough. So let's go ahead and cut these and see what they look like inside. So as you see, based on the cooking time, they will vary in terms of level of doneness. This is considered a hard-boiled egg. This is considered a soft-boiled egg. So just cook them to the level you want and enjoy this delicious snack. You no longer have to be intimidated by a boiled egg, and they no longer have to smell or be difficult to peel. I guarantee it. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more, leave your comments down below. Check out Facebook, Instagram, everything, blacktieKitchen.com. Until next time, my name is Dennis. Remember, cook like you ain't cleaning.